Let's understand the basics of Python. I'll take you through numbers and strings today. So you need not to install any editor right now for these small practicals. Just go to your C prompt and then your program files, and inside that you'll find a Python folder if Python is installed on your machine, and go in that folder, and there you'll find lib folder inside the Python folder. Then right click and open that in terminal. Let me take you through the C file folders. Okay. So when you you want to access the terminal and you want to do Python practicals, just go to C drive, then go to program files, then go to Python. I have Python 3.13 installed, so we have to install the Python at least. Then go into lib folder. Okay. Now here right click, open in terminal. This type of window will open the terminal where you can see this path. Okay. Now here you have to type Python, and there you have entered into a Python environment. Okay, you can see this is the version of Python that is installed on my machine. Now to start with numbers, see 2 plus 2 is 4. So these small operations you can do on the terminal. Okay, the big programs probably you'll need a editor, because there you can install so many libraries of the Python and access them easily. So here on terminal, everything happens manually. You have to remember and all those things. But in editors, these days the editors are also smart. They gives you prompt or suggestions before you type any library name or anything for that matter. Okay. Now this is a small operation that I have performed. 2 minus 2, 0. Then 2 into 2, 4. 2 by 2. Okay. Before going for 2 by 2, let me perform some multiple operations here. So like this, we can perform multiple operations on numbers. Then when I say 2 by 2, okay, this is 1.0. So in Python, the division will always come with the answer of the division is always given in a floating point number. Okay. So if you want to remove that, you can use double slash. Okay. That is also called as floating. Then you want to perform any variable you want to store value in any of the variables. Suppose number is equal to 20, and here I say I want the value of number, then it will print 20. Okay, so that way also you can do. Then let me store another number is equal to 10, and now let me add number plus number 2, which will give me 30. Okay, number is 20, number 2 is 10, the addition becomes 30. That way also you can do the operations on the numbers. Number 2. Okay, so that is how it works. So the number is very simple thing in the Python. Either you store in variable. Now you could have seen that I have not defined this variable number. Here I haven't given any type data type to it. Okay, I have just used any name just like that without defining it. I have the Python takes it on his own. Okay, whether it is a integer, whether it is a float value storing in that variable, or it is a string value getting stored in that variable, he doesn't mind it. Okay, so you just have to use the variable just like that and store whatever you want. Let it be array, just follow the syntax. Okay, so even here I haven't given any semicolon, colon, or comma or something like that. It is just a plain English text. Okay, so that simple it is. Now let's move to the strings. So talking about the strings, there are two ways you can store a string, like we did 2 plus 2, 4 directly, just like that. So there are two ways you can do it. So hi in double quotes, it will return you in a single quote. Okay, the answer will always be written in a single quote. Even if I put hi in single quote, it will return me hi in single quote. Now here comes some interesting things. Suppose this is doesn't in double quote, it is returning me it in a double quote. Okay, the reason behind it is there is this single quote in this string. Okay, now this string, what is this string? String is any alphanumeric value. Okay, even double sorry, even 1 2 3 4 can be put in a single quote, and then it is, instead of number, it is treated as a string. Okay, string is nothing but a text. Okay, so even you can put this in double quotes. So what I was talking about is when we there is this uh, doesn't, which is getting displayed in double quotes. Earlier, this hi, which was put under double quotes, was displayed in a single quote. Okay, but why this doesn't is not getting displayed in single quote, it is in double quotes. Okay, because of this apostrophe. So even if I say don't or can't, anything where an apostrophe comes and it is in a double quotes, it will get displayed in double quotes instead of single. Okay, whenever there is a apostrophe, you cannot put it under the single quotes. Okay, hi, how are you? Okay. Can you see here that this is getting displayed in single quote? But yes, this is intact. Okay. I have put this hi in double quotes. So whatever you are writing under this single quote is the whole thing is treated as a string. Okay. There is no doubt in that one. There is another way you can put it like this by putting a slash. If you are getting confused, then this also works. Okay, you just have to put the slash before this double quote. Whatever text you want to uh, want to display in double quotes as a part of a string, you just put a slash double quote, then the string, then complete it with slash double quote. Okay, so let's put it left. Sorry, hi, hello, namaste. Okay, see the whole string hi, hello, namaste is put inside that double quotes, because we started with slash double quotes before hi, and then we ended after namaste slash double quotes. If I put it after this question mark, then the whole string will be displayed in the double quotes. Let's do that. Okay, see the whole string is put it over there, and if you do it after the single quote, obviously it will give you an error. Okay, so that's how it works. Now let's see a slash in character. Okay, this slash n, this is nothing but a new line character. Okay, so if you have multiple lines which you want to display one after another one, then you have to put the slash in. Okay, let's see string 1 is equal to, I'm so sorry, it's string 1 hi slash n hello and single quote, and then let's see, I want to display string 1. So it has printed the string as it is. Okay, uh, even if you put the string as it in the single quotes hi slash n hello, it will it will give you the same result. But if you want to use the slash n, so that hi is printed on one line and after that hello is printed, you have to use print and then you have to say str1, and then let's see. Okay, so this is hi. After that, we have given a command slash n, that is new line, and on the new line, it has printed hello. Okay, but you have to use the print over here. Okay, only printing the string will not help, and putting this slash n inside the single quote without variable, without print will not work. It will be treated as a part of this string. This slash n will be treated as a part of this string. Okay, so even there you can print it like this also, print, but it has to be under. Okay, fine. So inside print, either you are printing the value of a variable or you are printing a string just like that. So here we have a smaller string, so it works very well inside the print. But there are, customized variables where you're taking value from some other variable and printing it. So obviously you have to use the, this thing, variables inside the print statement, print method, and then it will help you to display it. Now you want this slash n to be treated as a part of this string instead of this hi and hello printed on the separate lines. Okay, so that we call as a raw string. You just have to put r before this before the string. Okay, and let's see. Okay, even the print is also printing this slash n now because this string has become a raw string to it. Okay, now it is not considering this slash n as a special character. It is a part of this string. This is kind of a string containing uh, alphabets and some special characters. Okay, so that is how it can be used. Then we have some alternatives to slash n. So you can use double quotes. So imagine this is print 1, 2, 3, then slash, then enter, then hi, hello, namaste. Okay, then we are probably completing it. Okay, this is how you can be printing, uh, strings on separate lines without using slash n. Okay, the double quotes, sorry, the triple quotes, double quotes 3 times, then slash, then your strings to be printed on different lines. Just keep on putting enter after the every string, and then this thing, closing it with the triple 3 times the double quotes. Okay, we can do the combination of some numerical operations and strings. So this is 4 times high, which is getting printed. Now, if I want to attach a single high, sorry, a single hello after this 4 times high. Okay. Hello. Yeah, double quotes. Okay, so you can see 4 times high after that followed by a single hello because of this plus sign. Okay, so that can also be done. Let's see if we could do hi plus hi. Sorry, that's okay. Okay, you can do this way also. Uh, Strings just like that also. Okay, just have to put the operation between the two strings. Okay, that will give you this thing.